हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आदित्य प्लेसमेंट टॉक। तो कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप आप सभी लोग अच्छे हो गए। टुडे इन द मॉर्निंग आई गॉट वेलकम किट फ्रॉम इन्फोसिस आफ्टर 6 months। इतना लेट कौन देता है यार? एनीवे, लेट्स ओपन इट एंड सी व्हाट दे हैव सेंट टू अस। So let's open it. I got this one. You can see here, and Infosys Navigate you next. Welcome aboard. Ooh, this is magnet. Okay, finally. Welcome abroad. Okay, this one is I think welcome not from Infosys, and this one is Infosys water bottle. You can see this. Oh yeah, nice. It's I think a steel from inside. Anyway, let's put it here. This one is Infosys direct. It's good quality direct. And this one is pen from Infosys. This one is magical cube. Everything is mentioned. You can see this. And this one is for ATM. You can carry your ATM in this one. The kit is so sweet, you know. And one more thing I want to show you. I want to show you one thing. You can go in Play Store first of all and download AR Magic app, and you can open it, and after that you can start your experience. Click here. You can see something is rotating. Wow, it's very awesome experience. It's a 3D Infosys logo. You can experience it from Infosys magical cube. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and keep supporting friends. And if you have any query, just put your query in my comment box. I will see you there. Thank you.